Hey, Mr. G, and I'm going to show you a really fun A7 alternative open chord. Now, a seventh chord is made up of your first, third, fifth, and seventh flatted. In this scenario for A7, that would be A, C sharp, E, and G. Now, let me show you what this chord looks like and sounds like. All right. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to play that open E on the sixth string. Then I'm going to play that A on the fifth string, 12th fret, with my ring finger. Then I'm going to place my middle finger on the C sharp, which is on the fourth string, 11th fret. Then I'm going to place my little finger on the third string, 12th fret, to play that G note. Then I'm going to place my index finger on the 10th fret of the second string to play that A. And then just play that first string, that E, play it open. When you pull it all together, it sounds and looks like this. Again, cool version of an A7 alternative open chord. Add it to your routine, especially when you're playing the seventh chord of the blues. So, hey, check out my other videos on other alternative open chords and keep on jamming.